National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County, northeastern Greene County, southeastern Clark County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Selma, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include South Charleston. In addition, Lisbon, Plattsburgh, Gladstone, South Solon, Newport, and Midway are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.